Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we'll be unboxing this, a new watch from Haylou, the Haylou RT. Let's jump into it. Okay, so this is how the front of the box looks like. On the top here we have Haylou, and then in the middle here we have the watch, how the watch is going to look like, and on the bottom here we have the name Haylou RT. On the side it just says Haylou. Then at the back we have the specs. Just going to zoom in so you guys can see the specs. Okay, so for the specs we have the Haylou RT. It is IP68, dust and waterproof. You can see it has 12 sports modes, sleep monitoring, all-day heart rate monitoring, TFT HD touchscreen, and a 15-day battery life, and other information in other languages. Let's unbox it. Okay. My knife here, just going to cut it. Top. Now we can have a better look at the watch because there's no more glossy plastic on it. Let's just slide it out. So it comes in a whole black box. I think open it from the bottom. Okay, so here is the watch itself. You can see that, it's pretty nice. Put it to the side. What else do we have in the box? We have a Haylou smartwatch manual. Teaches you about the watch and stuff. Okay. Other than that, we have a magnetic charger that is going to connect to the back of the watch, the two pins right here. That goes to USB. Other than that, I think that's it. Yep, that's it for the box. This is just empty. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the watch. Let's take this off. You guys can see that there's like a bezel around it and it has white dots all around. It comes with this black silicone band with a Haylou logo. Feels pretty good and flexible to me. In front of the watch, you guys can see it has two buttons now instead of the first one. You have one is the red one is just the dark one. And on the back we have the sensors and the two pins for charging. Now let's turn it on. So it asks you to pair it with the Haylou Fun app. So let's just try to install it now. Okay, so now the watch is paired. This is what the screen looks like. Swiping to the right, we have your circles that shows you the stats, your heart rate, and your sleeping, and the weather. And you have this take a break one. It all loops around, so it's one whole loop. Swiping from the top down, we get the quick settings. Swiping from the bottom, you guys get this menu here. You can see stats, weather, sports, sleep mode, notice, that means notifications, music settings, and you have more. Stopwatch, countdown from my phone, reading, training, and you have settings. You can choose your watch face. These are a few that comes with the watch. Let me just try one. As you can see right here. You can also hold the watch face for a few seconds and then you can change it to a few that's provided. Settings again, you can adjust the brightness, about, and reset. This is the back button and the on off button. This button just brings you into the menu. This is like a quick settings, I guess, so if you press it you go into your sports mode. So I guess that is it. Do give me some feedback if you want me to compare it to the previous model, that is the Haylou Solar LS05. This is the new Haylou RT. Pretty much almost the same, but if you guys want me to do a quick comparison, I can do that. Now that is all for this video. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't. I have videos like this coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.